Welcome to our guide on gas welding safety. Gas welding is a versatile process, but it comes with its own set of hazards. It involves the use of flammable gases and high temperatures, making it critical to understand and adhere to safety protocols to prevent accidents. Today, we'll cover the proper handling of gas cylinders, the importance of using the correct protective gear, and the implementation of safety checks before, during, and after welding activities. Following these guidelines will help ensure your welding projects are not only successful, but also safe. Let's dive into the essential safety measures to keep you protected. Before starting any gas welding job, thoroughly inspect your equipment. Begin by examining each component carefully. Start with the hoses, ensuring they are free from cracks or wear. Move on to the regulators, checking for proper functionality and signs of distress such as unusual wear or dents. Connections should be secure and free from rust or corrosion. It's imperative to test for leaks using a soapy water solution. Apply at the hoses and connections and watch for bubbles which indicate escaping gas. Even a small leak can lead to a dangerous situation. Meticulous inspection can prevent most accidents. Additionally, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from flammable materials. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. This includes a welding helmet with the correct shade lens, flame-resistant clothing, gloves, and goggles to protect your eyes from sparks and intense light. Prepare your work area by removing flammable materials and ensuring adequate ventilation. Start by clearing the space of all combustible items such as paper, cloth, and solvents. Organize your tools and materials to ensure everything has a safe spot, significantly reducing the risk of accidental fires. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent the buildup of combustible gases and harmful fumes. When igniting your torch, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Use a striker or igniter designed for the purpose, and never attempt to light the torch with matches or lighters. Before lighting, ensure the area is well ventilated and all flammable materials are removed from the vicinity. Adjust the flame slowly, starting at a lower setting and increasing gradually to the desired intensity. A neutral flame is typically recommended for most welding applications. This means the flame should have a perfect balance between oxygen and fuel, ensuring a clean and efficient weld. Watch for signs of an incorrect flame, such as sputtering or a popping sound, which indicates adjustments are necessary. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby as a safety precaution, and always wear appropriate protective gear, including gloves and eye protection. Avoid excessively high temperatures to minimize the risk of accidents. During welding, be aware of your surroundings. It is essential to keep a safe working perimeter, isolating flammable materials like paper, cloth, and volatile liquids, ensuring they are out of harm's way. Ensure that other individuals maintain a safe distance, minimizing the risk of accidental contact or injury. Adhere strictly to safety protocols, especially in open or semi-enclosed areas. Never weld in confined spaces without proper ventilation. After completing your welding tasks, turn off the torch and release the gas pressure from the hoses. Next, wait patiently as the equipment begins to cool. This can take several minutes. During this time, it's a good opportunity to organize your workspace and prepare tools for storage. Once the equipment is no longer hot to the touch, carefully clean any debris or splatters from the surfaces. Check all connections and cables for wear or damage and ensure everything is in order for the next use. Now move on to storing the equipment properly, ensuring that each piece is securely placed to avoid any damage. When your protective gear, do so carefully. Slowly peel off each piece of gear, mindful of any hot spots or sharp edges that might still pose a risk. Hang your gear up to prevent it from becoming crumpled or damaged. Inspect your gear for any signs of damage and replace it if necessary. Your safety gear is your last line of defense. By following these safety precautions, you can ensure a safe and successful gas welding experience. It's essential to wear protective gear, including gloves, goggles, and a welding mask. Additionally, always check your equipment for any signs of damage before beginning your work. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated to avoid the inhalation of harmful fumes. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby as a precaution. Follow these guidelines meticulously to avoid any mishaps. Remember, safety should always come first. Stay safe and happy welding.